Teamwork.com is one of the most powerful tools for content marketing, allowing you to streamline your processes, enhance team collaboration, and keep your campaigns organized and efficient. If you've been wondering how to use Teamwork.com for content marketing, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage this platform to take your content marketing efforts to the next level. Before we dive in, remember you can access Teamwork.com for free through the first link below with some exclusive bonuses just for you. Stick around because I'll show you how to make the most of this tool and how it can really boost your content marketing game. When you're managing a content marketing campaign, keeping track of everything from deadlines to content approvals and team communications can quickly become overwhelming. Teamwork.com helps solve that problem with an easy-to-use project management system that's built for teams who want to stay organized. The first step is using Teamwork's task management features to keep track of every content project. You can create tasks for each piece of content, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and even break them down into smaller subtasks. This helps you stay on top of things and makes sure no important detail falls through the cracks. With Teamwork.com, you can centralize your content calendar and manage all your campaigns in one place. You can plan ahead, assign content creation tasks, and set reminders for each stage of your content production. It's perfect for managing both short-term and long-term content marketing strategies. Teamwork also lets you manage your team's workflow more effectively. You can create different project views such as board, list, or Gantt chart views, which makes it easy to tailor your project management style to your preferences. Whether you prefer a simple list view for smaller tasks or a Gantt chart to visualize your project timeline, Teamwork makes it work. But what really sets Teamwork apart is its built-in collaboration features. You can have discussions within each task, leave feedback, and share documents all within the platform. This eliminates the need for endless email chains and makes it easier to get feedback from your team or clients quickly. Another powerful feature is the time tracking tool. Content creation involves a lot of moving parts, and sometimes it's hard to keep track of how much time is spent on each task. Teamwork's time tracking feature allows you to monitor how long each task is taking, which is invaluable for optimizing your content creation process and keeping projects on budget. You can also integrate Teamwork with other tools you may already use for your content marketing, such as Google Drive, Slack, and Zapier. These integrations allow for even smoother workflows and enable you to streamline your operations. And if you're managing multiple clients or running several campaigns at once, Teamwork has you covered with its ability to manage multiple projects and teams at once. You can create different workspaces for each client or campaign, ensuring that your content marketing stays organized and tailored to each unique project. If you're using Teamwork for content marketing, you'll want to take advantage of the reporting features as well. You can track project progress, see where your team is spending time, and understand how well your content campaigns are performing. This data is crucial for making informed decisions and optimizing your strategies. Now, to wrap things up, let me remind you that Teamwork.com is an excellent platform for content marketers looking to streamline their operations, collaborate more efficiently, and manage their projects with ease. You can get started completely free today by clicking the first link below, where you'll also unlock some exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that free trial. It's the perfect opportunity to see firsthand how Teamwork can enhance your content marketing campaigns and help you stay on top of everything.